What if I told you this rap video was made entirely by AI? No camera, no dancer, just words. And the best part, you can make videos like this too, using my new tool that turns words into cinematic AI videos into seconds.
Brick by brick, I built this grind, underground crowd, now it's mine. Flow too sick, I shit and it splits your spine. Chaos born, I redefine. Brick by
Right. When you go to the URL that I will post in the description of this video, you can see how to create these prompts for VO3. This is an example prompt. This is the prompt of the video I just showed. And here is where you can do it yourself. Now let's try. Create me a video about a woman dancing in a park with little birds. Right, let's generate the prompt. Let's give it some time. The nice thing about the generation is that you will get the prompt built up like this, and you will get an API ready prompt as well, that you can just copy and paste and use in your API as well. Now we are going to our dashboard, going to video, we're describing our video like that. Then we're going to generate a portrait video, and let's generate the video. And I will be back when the video is done. Alright, the video is done. As you can see, I'll play it again. Yeah, the prompt is pretty cool because you will see all the details of the camera. In the dashboard, this is a little bug that we will fix. You will see the prompt and the woman dancing, and you will see how much credits are used for the generation. This is it. If you have any questions about the tool, just contact me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos.